How to use a voucher entry form in FQMS software. A voucher entry form is used to post the following vouchers: bank payment voucher, bank receive voucher, cash payment voucher, cash receipt voucher, and journal payment voucher. How to use a bank payment voucher. The bank payment voucher contains information about payments made by the bank. To post a bank payment voucher, go to Accounts module. In Processing Form, open Voucher Entry Form. Select Showroom. Press New button. Set date. Select option of Bank Payment Voucher from drop-down list. Bank from Banks drop-down list. Select Check Date. Enter check number in check number text box. Enter remarks in remarks text box. From account name text box, press down key. A new pop-up window will appear. Choose the head. Now enter narration in narration text box. Add debit amount in DR text box and press Add button. After this, press Save. Bank payment voucher is created successfully. Similarly, to add a bank receipt voucher, set a date. Select the option of Bank Receipt Voucher from the drop-down list. Choose Bank from the Bank drop-down list. Select the check date. Enter check number in the check number text box. Enter remarks. From the account name text box, press key down and choose the head. Enter narration and add credit amount in CR text box. Press Add. Now press the Save button to save this record. Cash payment voucher contains information about cash payments. To use this voucher, set a date. Choose a cash payment voucher from the drop-down list. Enter remarks. From the account name text box, press down key. A new pop-up window will appear. Choose the head. Enter narration. Add debit amount. Press Add button and press the Save button to save this voucher entry. Similarly, to add a cash receipt voucher, set a date. Select the option of Cash Receipt Voucher from the drop-down list. Enter remarks. From the account name text box, press key down and choose the head. Enter narration in the narration text box. Add credit amount. Press Add to add this entry. Now press the Save button to save. A journal voucher is also called a non-cash voucher or transfer voucher. They serve as proof of non-cash transactions. To use this voucher, set a date. Select the Journal Payment Voucher option. Enter remarks. From the account name text box, press down key. A new pop-up window will appear. Choose the head. Enter narration. Add debit or credit amount. Press Add button. Now press the Save button to save this record. To delete or edit any record, press the Search button. Select the date and press Search. Now select the voucher entry you want to delete or edit, and press the Edit button to edit the record. Similarly, to delete, press the Delete button to delete the record. To print any record, select the record and press the Print button.